Welcome back to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel where we help you achieve financial freedom through smart money habits and investing. Today, we're tackling one of the toughest but most important questions: how do you budget on a low income? Because let's be honest, when your income feels tight, when bills pile up, and when unexpected expenses show up at the worst times, it feels like budgeting is impossible. But here's the truth: budgeting is not just possible on a low income, it's essential. It's the key to breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and finally building stability for your future. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process for creating and sticking to a budget, even if your income is small. I'll share real-life examples, practical tips, and strategies that actually work in the real world. And by the end, you'll have the tools to take control of your money, no matter how much, or how little, you earn. Why budgeting on a low income matters. Budgeting isn't about having more money, it's about making the most of what you already have. When your income is limited, every dollar matters. One unplanned expense, a car repair, a medical bill, or even just a higher than expected utility bill, can throw your entire month into chaos. Without a budget, you're always reacting. With a budget, you're prepared. Think of your money like a team. Without a coach, the team runs in all directions, wasting energy. With a budget, you're the coach. You direct every dollar where it needs to go, ensuring nothing is wasted. Step 1. Know your numbers. The first step in budgeting on a low income is awareness. You cannot fix what you don't measure. Start by writing down your monthly income, from all sources: your fixed expenses, rent, utilities, transportation, minimum debt payments, your variable expenses, groceries, gas, entertainment, dining out. Real life example: Maria earns $1,800 a month from her retail job. Her rent is $750, utilities $150, transportation $200, groceries $300, and debt payments $200. That leaves her with just $200 for everything else. It feels impossible, but once she tracks her spending, she realizes she's spending $120 on subscriptions and takeout. That's $120 that can be redirected to her priorities. Step 2. Prioritize your essentials. When money is tight, your budget has to start with survival. Focus on the four walls first: housing, utilities, food, transportation. These are non-negotiable. If you cover these, you can survive. Everything else, subscriptions, entertainment, even debt payments, comes after. This might feel harsh, but it's how you stay afloat when money is limited. Step 3. Create a simple zero-based budget. A zero-based budget means every dollar has a job. Your income minus your expenses should equal zero. That doesn't mean you spend everything, it means you allocate everything. If you earn $1,800, you plan where all $1,800 goes. $750 for rent, $300 for groceries, $200 for transportation, and so on. Even if you only put $20 towards savings, it's intentional. This approach eliminates the guesswork and ensures no dollar slips through the cracks. Step 4. Cut what doesn't matter. On a low income, you can't afford to spend money on things that don't add real value to your life. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy anything, but it means you need to be ruthless about what matters. Examples: cancel unused subscriptions, streaming, gym memberships, apps. Cut back on eating out, cook at home instead. Switch to prepaid phone plans. Use public transportation when possible. Even small cuts add up. Saving $50 here, $20 there, and $10 somewhere else can free up $100 plus every month. Step 5. Find ways to boost your income. You can only cut so much. At some point, the real solution is to earn more. Practical income boosting ideas: picking up a part-time side job, delivery driving, babysitting, freelancing. Selling items you no longer need online. Offering a service in your community: dog walking, tutoring, lawn care. Asking for extra hours or overtime at work. Real life example: David worked a low-paying warehouse job making $2,000 a month. By delivering groceries for 10 hours a week, he added an extra $400 a month. That $400 gave him breathing room in his budget and allowed him to start saving consistently. Step 6. Build a mini emergency fund. When you're living paycheck to paycheck, one emergency can ruin everything. That's why you need at least a small emergency fund, $500 to $1,000, to cover life's surprises. Without it, every car repair or medical bill sends you back into debt. With it, you can handle problems without derailing your budget. Step 7. Tackle debt strategically. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles for people on a low income. It eats up your budget and keeps you from getting ahead. 2 popular methods. The debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next one. The debt avalanche. Pay off the highest interest debt first to save money over time. Pick the method that motivates you the most. Step 8. Use cash envelopes or digital tracking. One of the best ways to stick to a budget is to make it tangible. If overspending is a problem, use cash envelopes. Label them groceries, gas, entertainment. Once the envelope is empty, you stop spending. If you prefer digital, use apps like YNAB, Mint, or EveryDollar to track your money in real time. Step 9. Review and adjust every month. Budgets are not static, they're living plans. Review your budget at the end of each month. What worked? What didn't? Where did you overspend? Where can you improve? Over time, you'll get better at predicting expenses, adjusting for surprises, and making your budget fit your real life. Step 10. Build habits, not just rules. The key to success isn't just writing down numbers, it's changing habits. Budgeting on a low income requires discipline, patience, and consistency. Habits like cooking at home, delaying purchases with the 24-hour rule, and reviewing your spending weekly add up to big results. Powerful transition, from survival to freedom. At first, budgeting on a low income is about survival, making sure you can cover your essentials without going into debt. But as you stick with it, something amazing happens. You shift from survival mode to progress mode. That extra $50 in savings turns into $500. Your small emergency fund grows into a safety net. Your debts shrink, and eventually, you start investing. That's when budgeting becomes more than just numbers, it becomes your ticket to financial freedom. Final thoughts. Imagine standing at the beginning of this journey, feeling the weight of uncertainty lift as clarity begins to emerge. Each decision you make regarding your budget becomes a stepping stone, a testament to your resolve in seeking a brighter financial future. When you embrace creativity and stretching your resources, there's an exhilarating sense of empowerment that unfolds. It's about discovering the hidden gems within your daily expenditures and channeling them towards something greater. The excitement builds when you uncover new ways to cut costs, perhaps by cooking meals at home instead of dining out or finding affordable entertainment options. As you set forth on this path, remember to celebrate the small victories. Each dollar saved and every mindful purchase made brings you closer to financial freedom. Challenges will arise, but with a steadfast spirit, you'll navigate them with grace. Consider journaling your progress. This practice serves as a reflective tool, illuminating areas where you've flourished and highlighting adjustments necessary for continued growth. Awareness is key, guiding you to make informed decisions that align with your goals. As you refine your budgeting skills, a new world unfolds filled with possibilities, reinforcing the belief that you hold the power to create the life you desire. In this transformative process, it's essential to keep your eyes on the horizon, envisioning the life you aspire to lead. Each day brings a fresh opportunity to reassess your priorities, ensuring that your spending aligns with your aspirations. As you cultivate this discipline, small adjustments can lead to significant changes, illuminating a pathway to your financial goals. Remember, every sacrifice made today is an investment in a better tomorrow, one that resonates with both joy and security. Through determination and a clear focus, you nurture not only your finances but also your self-worth and confidence. Embracing a budgeting mindset not only transforms your financial habits but also instills a sense of purpose and direction. By actively participating in this practice, you carve out a pathway toward a life rich in opportunities. Your journey begins now, leading you to financial stability and empowerment, where dreams become reality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset. We're here to help you build wealth, develop smart money habits, and achieve the financial freedom you deserve.